Guys, welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. It's been a while since I've filmed, and that's precisely why I'm filming today. I wanted to give you guys an update on what's been going on, and let me tell you, you'll be seeing a lot more of me because of the positive change that has just happened, which I will go over everything and explain to you. But before I do that, I sat down here again. Let me know if you like the setup. I kind of liked it last time because I'm comfy here. There's like all these windows here, so there's not lots of natural light, but let me know if you like the setup. I don't know, I don't actually know where else I would be able to film, maybe upstairs in our bedroom. But anyways, let's get into the video and the update, because knowing myself, I will be talking a lot and I don't want the video to be super long. So the major update that I wanted to share with you guys is that Adriana has actually started preschool yesterday, and oh my god, you guys, for those of you who are parents and have gone through it, you'll probably know what I am talking about. It's been like the hardest thing for me. She's doing amazingly well. Yesterday was the first day, and Monday and Tuesday were the visits where I was with her for like 2 hours. We were there, and that was fine because I was there. That wasn't hard at all. But yesterday was like excruciatingly hard for me. She did really well, actually. She cried at the beginning, and I cried at the beginning when I was leaving her, but overall she did super well. She ate some, she even took a nap, and yeah, I think did fantastic for her first day ever to be away from me. And today she's doing really well. One of the great features about this particular place is that it has security cameras that parents can watch, and that to me was definitely one of the selling features of this place. And that's precisely why actually I've been more absent from YouTube, because we were looking for a place, and I'm so picky and so particular about the type of care that she receives. So we were touring all the places around the neighborhood and finally found this amazing place based on a recommendation from a family friend. And yeah, it is by far the best place. It has everything that we were looking for: Montessori approach plus like high scope approach, and all these other things. And yeah, I'm really happy. It's not too far from us, and so far so good, fingers crossed. But let me tell you, yesterday, guys, oh my god, I felt like we dropped her off in the morning with Andreas, and we came home, and obviously I cried at drop off and she cried at drop off. I tried to not cry in front of her, and then anyways, and when I got home, it was just like, because literally she was attached to my hip from the time she was born up to now. She is 2 years and 3 months, so basically a long time. And we were never really apart, like for a day here and there when she was with grandparents and stuff, but never really apart for a full day. And when we got home, the house felt so empty, and like I felt physically ill. Like, I know it sounds ridiculous, and I totally understand logically why I'm doing this. It's the best thing for her development, social skills, all types of stuff. Like, I get that logically and rationally, but emotionally you can't really, like, what are you gonna do? You feel how you feel, and those feelings just have to kind of pass through you. So yesterday was awful. The good thing about the place, like I said, is the cameras, but also it can be like kind of crippling, because I literally sat watching the camera all day. I wanted to know what she's doing, how she's doing. Like, you know, I trust the people that are there, but at the same time, they're not me, right? So I just wanted to see, like, make sure they were taking care of my little baby. Even though she's not a baby anymore, she will always be my baby, like I said, like any parent can probably attest to as well. So it's gonna be a time of transition. And you know, overall, I think the fact that it's only second day and I'm doing so much better today, I actually can function. The camera is still on. I'm watching her. She's actually napping right now, which is so amazing. I'm so happy that she's napping, because those were like my concerns, because she's used to sleeping in her crib in the dark by herself, and they're kind of sleeping on the cots, Montessori style, on the floor, and all the kids are together in the same room, and it's not like dark or anything. So I'm just like so amazed that, you know, kids are so resilient and so flexible. They adjust, and plus because I'm sure she's tired, she wants to rest. So anyways, she's eating, she's sleeping, and looks like she's having fun. She was playing in the morning. They were doing like an activity and she was participating. So, and also another thing is, like, they send you like reports throughout the day of what she's doing with pictures. Like, oh my god, it's like the absolute best thing for me, because I am a control freak. I know it's not a good quality, and I'm working on being a little bit more like easygoing and letting go, but by nature I'm a control freak. So the fact that I can see her whenever I want to and know exactly what she's up to, I mean, like, it couldn't be better. The only way it could be better is that I'm there with her. But anyway, so that's kind of been the major update. We're just looking for the place and getting her in there because I felt like she was ready. I felt like she was bored at home. She really needed to be more like social and be around kids because she really thrives, and like when we are around kids I can see how much fun she has. And I felt like it wasn't fair to her because I want Andreas to get the best quality sleep, which is always in his crib, which means that we're basically at home, and especially because it's winter, it's just been like we've been at home for the most part, and it's boring. She has so much energy, and this is like prime time for her to learn and develop new skills and make friendships and stuff. So I just felt like she was missing out. So I felt guilty every day that she was home, even though obviously like I take good, you know, the best care that I can possibly give her, but there's only so much I can do with the two of them as far as like activities and stuff. So anyways, it's finally happened. She's there, and this is definitely a positive change, and maybe I can restore some balance into my life because since Andreas was born, literally I've had no time for myself at all, and I'm really looking forward to see how I can balance things more. And yeah, balance is key in life, and when you lose balance, it's just everything goes haywire. So anyways, that's the update, and I just thought I will do more like a vlog style today and just talk to you guys about the update, and also just show you what we are up to with Andreas today. He is napping right now as well. He's probably going to be waking up anytime now. And also to keep my mind up of things, like the timing couldn't be better, I have an unboxing to do of a fun subscription box. I've partnered with FabFitFun. It's a little bit of a mouthful for me to say. It's a subscription box that comes quarterly, so like every 3 months, and it's seasonal, and they've contacted me and wanted to see if I want to try them out. I've heard and seen them around social media, and I was definitely curious to check it out, and the timing couldn't be better. The box actually arrived yesterday when I was like in my the worst state. Like I couldn't move, I couldn't think. My whole heart, my whole being was with Adriana, and when I saw the box I was like, this is perfect timing, but I wasn't in the mood for that yesterday. But today is perfect because I'm actually feeling better, and I am looking forward to seeing what's inside the box. So I'm gonna set up, I'm gonna get on the floor so I'll be more comfortable, and we're gonna see what's inside the box. All right, here we are. So here's the box. I just got out of the mailing box. It is a subscription service, and I've actually never been subscribed to any other service. So when they contacted me, I was super excited to check them out. They wanted to send it over, and it's pretty cool concept. It comes out, like I said, every quarter, and the value is $49.99 US per quarter, and they are full-size products inside, ranging from beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and wellness, which is awesome. And because they're full-size, value is like over $200, so you're paying like a quarter of the price and you get full-size samples. I'm curious to see what this one is all about. It's spring, so it's gonna be fun stuff. And yeah, you guys can, if you're curious to check them out as well, they've created a special coupon code that you can enter, and for your first box you'll get $10 off. I'll include the link right here, or not the link, the code right here, and the link in the description box, so if you're curious you can check them out. Let's get on with the unboxing before Andreas wakes up. This is actually super exciting. It feels like Christmas because, you know, you don't know what's inside, and it's like so fun to see. Oh, all right, so what do we have here? I guess this is their book of what's inside, or like a magazine, newspaper. Maybe it talks about all the products. I'm not really sure. I'll go through it later. So there's a coupon for HelloFresh, which is awesome, which is another service that I've used and love. So that's good. And then let's see what's inside. It's actually like really pretty how it's packaged. Okay, what's the first thing? Lip Statement Palette. All right, so this is by Ish. I've actually never heard of this brand, but I've been so like in mommyhood since having kids. I don't even know what products are out there. I haven't been shopping a lot, but this is super fun. So this is a lip palette with all these different colors and nice fresh bright colors for spring, so that's fun. What's the next thing? We have a pretty Tiffany blue, maybe it's jewelry, feels like it's a jewelry piece. Let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a necklace and it says love, and it's by a brand Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. And right up my alley with love. Love that. Maybe I'll put it on later and I'll show you guys. Super cute. I love that. I'm all about dainty jewelry, and this is perfect. Oh, maybe that's not a bracelet actually. Sorry, that's not a necklace. This is a bracelet. I just realized. I just noticed how short it was. Oh, it's so pretty. And you know what? Here, see? I have like basically the same idea. This is what I'm all about. It's actually rose gold. That is so pretty. Check it out, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Nice addition to my little wrist party. What do they call them? Wrist party. So that's awesome. I love that. I don't know what the values of these are. I'm sure it says somewhere. But like I said, like each of these things together will add up to way more than $49.99 US. So looks like this might be a clutch or something. Rachel Pally. Let's open it up. Oh, this is a clutch. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Nice little floral pattern for spring. Yeah, that's super cute. I haven't been shopping. Oh, and it has a little tassel here. Oh, that's so cute. I'm assuming though it has to be this way, right? Or would it be, how would you wear it? Like this? No. Would you wear it like this? Or like that? I guess it's up to you really, right? Both ways, which is good. Maybe that's why they did it like that, so you have flexibility. You can do more if you want more of a understated piece, and if you want it to be more like bold, wear it like that. That's fun. And it's it's like a fabric canvasy feel. Oh, this is mandarin orange, kaffir lime, clover, white tea, cyclamen, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka bean. What is this, candle? I'm assuming it's a candle. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it is a candle. Oh, pretty. Oh, that smells so good. Mmm, very nice. Gold, or is it rose gold? I can't tell. I think it's rose gold. Yeah, rose gold. Smell it. It actually smells really good. So fresh. Anderson Lily is the brand, so that's awesome. And this is Free People with Love from Texas. An eye mask. Oh, it's like a gel. Oh, maybe that's like a cooling mask. Yeah, it feels like there's gel inside. Cooling mask. Pretty stars on it. Adjustable strap in the back. This is great. So many products inside. There's like 3 more. What is this? Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Hydrate. And see what I mean? Like these are all full size, which is great. I'm gonna try this out. No scent. Nice and smooth. My skin has been so dry because of this winter and hands being in the water, constantly being in the kitchen. So lightweight, oil-free moisturizer provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. Awesome. We'll go into my collection. That's this one here. And then we have some exercise stuff or massager. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, massage roller. I need this so badly. Oh, so these are like massage bowls with a handle that you can roll. Oh, I wish I could do this on myself. I'm gonna get Demetri to do it when he gets home. My back has been in crazy knots lately, just with all the stress of like getting Adriana into preschool and everything. It's been taking a toll on me, and not sleeping for the past God knows how long. It's gonna be awesome. They spin, so when you roll it, it's gonna feel amazing. They're like hard balls. Okay, couple more things here. Dove exfoliating body polish. So there you are. Okay, and ooh, I love this brand. What is this? Body butter. You guys know I'm all about body butters. Of course, body butter. Guava. It's a Greek brand, so Demetri will be happy about that. Nice, fruity scent. Very nice. I like it. I like it. New products are always fun. To pamper yourself, especially when you're a mom and you have no time for yourself. And one last thing, this is this is for your nails, I guess, or not. Well, it looks like this. What is this? Hold on. Oh yeah, it is nail treatment. Yeah, the first peptide infused anti-aging nail treatment. Oh my god, can you guys see what my nails look like? It's completely embarrassing. It's been crazy. I haven't had time for manicures lately, so now that I have a bit more time and Adriana is in school, maybe I'll actually be able to take better care of myself. I can't open this. Oh, my hands have cream on them. So it looks like nude color treatment. Focus. There you are. All right, that's it. That's all that's inside the box. That was awesome. Thank you, FabFitFun. These are great products. I'm excited to test them out and try them out, and most importantly, this is going to be very, very handy for both me and Demetri. And yeah, these are fun. So if you guys want to check them out, like I said, you can use a coupon code for $10 off. It will be in the description box. And just as I was finishing up. Oh, he went back to sleep. Maybe he's sleeping still, I can't tell. He's the funniest. He has this little toy that he sleeps with, a little like stuffed animal toy that he loves to put like on his neck. I feel like he's falling back asleep. All right, we're gonna give him time and go get him. I'll take you with me when he wakes up because he looks so cute after his nap. His cheeks are always rosy and he looks so cute. Okay, this like never ever happens. He actually went back to sleep. Yay. Making myself a little snack, almond milk and some cereal, and watching Mimi's January favorites. And guess who's awake? Let's go get him. Hello there. Hi. Hello. Come on, let's open up your blinds. Oh, big boy. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Let's open up your blinds. Oh my goodness, nice and bright. Hi. Whose cute little face is that? Do you feel so rested? Did you almost sleep for a full hour and 45 minutes? That never happens. That never happens. I love watching him play. He can't crawl yet because he's just so big and heavy. But what he does, he just like turns like 360 degrees and he goes backwards. See, he scoots backwards. That's what Adriana used to do too, right? Is that easier to go backwards, buddy? Which one do you want? Which toy do you want? Which one are you trying to get? Huh? Hi. Hi, happy boy. Wow, yes, strong boy. Ooh, planking. You ready for food? You ready for some avocado? Let me go make it for you. All right, so we have some avocado and some banana on the menu. Let's see how we do. It ate really well. He ate almost all the banana and like half of the, more than half actually, of the avocado. Where's that face? Where's that happy face? Full tummy. All right, so we have change of plans. We're not gonna be able to get the errands done today. It's getting a bit late and Demetri is on his way to pick up Adriana and I definitely want to be home when she gets home because I miss her so much. So we're just gonna hang out, we're gonna read and play and wait for Demetri and Adriana to get home. I'm so excited to see her and give her a hug. Guess who's home? How was your day at school? What you got there? What is it? Is it birthday cake?
Lori!
Ooh, you see. Did you just create a music instrument?
No, Rebecca Rabbit used that.
Rebecca Rabbit was using that? She was using a whistle? Or maybe a flute. Was she playing a flute? No?
Birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Baby birthday.
Okay, sing happy birthday for him.
Happy birthday. No, that's a baby one.
All right, continue singing. Let's hear it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mommy one.
Is it mommy's?
Happy birthday to you. Baby, here you go.
All right, it's time to start dinner so that we can all be in bed at a decent time. What, do you want to be in the shot too? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a beautiful day and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? Bye?
Bye.
Bye. Oopsie. Say bye.
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 Bye. Say bye.
Bye.